Alright, what I'm going to show you now is the beginnings of the cheater seam. So I have worked this swatch in one color, in this orange. And let's say that I want to put a seam, a planned seam, in the 12 middle stitches of this swatch. Alright, I'm ready for my 12 stitches. But I want a seam, so I'm not going to continue in my orange. I'm going to pick up this green. And I'm going to knit the next 12 stitches in this green. Alright, well, now what? My orange is down there. And yeah, okay, so now you're going to take these 12 stitches that you just knit and put them back on the needle that you just took them off of. Do not unknit them. Put the green stitches back on to the other needle. Drop the green yarn, pick the orange yarn back up, and just knit back across these green stitches like nothing ever changed. Usually this cheater seam will happen in an area where there's not any pattern going on. If there is pattern going on, follow the instructions of what it's telling you to do. If it's not telling you to do something, then it's not a very well written pattern. If it's somewhere that you're putting in a cheater seam where there wasn't one, and you would like some help, let me know. Message me, email me, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, I've gone across all 12 of those green guys. I'm just going to finish my row now. And I'm going to work a couple more rows and come back and show you what's next. Alright, so I have my swatch now. I didn't cut the ends because I want to be able to reuse the yarn in other projects. And you can see the green stitches. Those are the ones we want to come out. But if you just start taking it out, the stitches are going to go everywhere. So I have some DPNs here. You want to use the same size DPN that you're going to be stitching with. And it doesn't matter if you start on this side or this side. And it doesn't matter which leg you pick up of the stitch, as long as you pick up the same leg each time. I prefer to start on these ones and pick up the left leg. Remember, it was 12 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one's not playing nice. There it is. 12. All I did to make that one show up was pull that tail on the green yarn. Alright, and turn it around and do the other one. So it's the right leg from that side, but when you're looking at it, it's the left leg again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Once again, I'm having a hard time seeing it. There it is. Alright, I pulled the tail, turned it around, and I found it. There's number 12. Okay. Now, take the other DPN, and we just start picking it out. Now if you've cut your yarn, you can pick it up from the other end. It doesn't matter as long as you have everybody picked up. If you don't have all your stitches picked up, you are going to end up with a problem because it's going to run one way or the other. Cheater seams are nice for heels in a sock. Again, you have to plan. Thumbs on mittens. And And the place that I have used them most is seams, a cheater seam for a sleeve in a shawl. See, now I have that hole where I didn't have a hole before. I have all the stitches picked up, and you're just going to follow the pattern to do what is next. I pick up a couple in here on each side, close up that hole, and now you can work round and round and come out this direction. And that is the cheater seam.